Ang laki din ng mata ko, ang laki din ng bunganga ko. Kaya kang lunukin. Haba. Ay, syempre, mahaba yan. Hair lang yung mahaba sa akin, pasensya hindi. Yes po. Hair lang po yung, hair lang yung mahaba sa akin, pero yung pasensya po, hindi. I'm so sorry. Hindi, inaatake naman ako. Fair enough. Fair enough. Bless! Bobo ko pa naman mag-English. Bagsakan niyo ako 100. Sige na, magsasayaw tayo. Anong sumayaw? Okay na yung 200. Konti naman yan eh. Hindi pa naging... Nung nakaraan, 500 nga eh. Dali na, magra-ride tayo. Mag-with the bid tayo. Mag-holy shit tayo. Tama. Mr. Bean, shall we? Wala na, nahimik na si boss, boss A. Wala ka nang maibanat sa akin. Nasasalo ko kasi lahat. Hirap nyo naman akong pakailigin. Kayong, bilis ko kayong pakailigin eh. Shall we, lovely jolly? Siya, diba? Lovely jolly. Tangay na. Ibahin ko kayo yung ko, no? Shall we, Mr. Bean? Mr. Bean, how are you? I hear you're the most handsome person in USA. Sabihin pa saan ako, wag na lang. I heard in, how did you know? Nang, I hear from more people. More people. Google tell me that Mr. Bean is the most handsome boy in USA. No, Google tell me. Oh, thank you for following. I don't know if it's true or not, but I think it's true. That you're the most handsome and very gentleman person in USA. Yataki, shall we, Yataki? And also they tell me that you're so very yummy. Google tell me you're the most pogi in Negros Occidental. I'm not pogi. I'm not pogi, Mr. Bean. I'm beautiful, not pogi. I'm pogi. I'm not pogi. I'm beautiful. And they say I'm cute also. So if beautiful and cute well combined together, it's cutiful.